Let's pretend we can have all our dreams come true this month. What do you ask for? A clean house and an easy way to feed our family. Good choices on the busiest days full of after-school activities. While we can't get everything we want, Healthy Choice is making it possible to eat well on those busy days. New Healthy Choice Power Bowls are made with a combination of nutrient-dense vegetables, proteins and whole grains. The frozen meals include an intentional balance of nutrient-packed veggies, natural proteins and whole grains to fuel a busy lifestyle. May is Women's Health Month and the perfect time to focus on yourself. Just because you're busy doesn't mean you shouldn't have the option of fast meals that still offer all the ingredients that matter. Healthy Choice Power Bowls provide all the ingredients that matter with the convenience of a fast frozen meal in a recycled plant-based fiber serving bowl. Healthy Choice Power Bowls are packaged in serving bowls made from plant-based fiber. The recycled bagasse and softwood bowl is much different than the plastic bowls sold by many other frozen food companies. My 8-year-old daughter is a SeaWorld guest kid blogger and cares very much about the environment. Every day she shares something new she has learned about easy ways we can help keep the oceans clean for marine animals. Minimizing our use of plastics is an easy way to make a huge difference, as it takes an average of 450 years for one bottle to completely degrade. Healthy Choice Power Bowls provide all the ingredients that matter with the convenience of a fast frozen meal in a recycled plant-based fiber serving bowl. As a mother, I'm so much more aware of my health. Our daughters look at me as their role model and I know they are watching every little move. By eating healthy and creating healthy habits at home, we are empowering our children to make good-for-you choices when we aren't able to stand beside them to make sure they are moving in the right direction. Before I had my daughters, at the age of 25, I had heart surgery because of an undiagnosed birth defect. As I get older, knowing my heart history, it's important to make good decisions for my health. Women's Health Month is all about empowering women with the right information to make those good decisions. Healthy Choice Power Bowls are part of that plan. Eat the ingredients that matter. The recognizable ingredients and bold flavors make it easy. There are over 16 grams of protein and 6 to 8 grams of fiber in every bowl. The Power Bowls take less than 5 minutes to prepare and can be served in the same bowl. The Korean-inspired beef bowl has flavors and spices inspired by Korean cuisine. The spicy bowl is made with all-natural USDA choice beef and has a big variety of vegetables and shiitake mushrooms. The beef, mushrooms and vegetables are served on top of brown and red rice, red quinoa and black barley with a spicy gochujang and soy sauce topped with black and white sesame seeds. Healthy Choice Power Bowls provide all the ingredients that matter with the convenience of a fast frozen meal in a recycled plant-based fiber serving bowl. Healthy Choice Power Bowls provide all the ingredients that matter with the convenience of a fast frozen meal in a recycled plant-based fiber serving bowl. The adobo chicken bowl is made with all-natural pulled chicken breast with vegetables served on top of brown and red rice, red quinoa and black barley with a guajillo chili sauce topped with roasted peptos. The Latin-inspired flavors are not spicy and this bowl is my youngest daughter's favorite. The all-natural chicken raised without antibiotics make me happy. My daughters are asking for seconds. Healthy Choice Power Bowls provide all the ingredients that matter with the convenience of a fast frozen meal in a recycled plant-based fiber serving bowl. Power Bowls are also offered in 2 additional flavors, Cuban-inspired pork bowl and chicken sausage and barley bowl.